Hi, I'm Helen, a Build.com project expert. Welcome back to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, can I install a wall-mounted toilet in my bathroom? There are many advantages to wall-mounted toilets. They save space, have a very sleek look, and because they're not attached to the floor, they're easy to clean. But there are some important things to keep in mind before you choose one for your bathroom. Wall-mounted toilets are different from standard toilets when it comes to installation, cost, and maintenance. Let's head into the Build.com set to learn more. In this modern bathroom, the toilet is installed in a small water closet, so space was definitely a consideration. We chose a wall-mounted toilet because it takes up less space than a standard model, and that style really complements the overall design. If you're considering a wall-mounted toilet, it's important to remember that installing these fixtures is not a simple DIY project. When you swap out a standard toilet, you simply choose the new one with the same footprint as the old fixture. Installing a wall-mounted toilet in place of a standard toilet will mean opening up the wall and also patching the flooring where the old toilet was. Because the plumbing, tank, and toilet carrier frame are hidden behind the wall, professional installation is recommended for a wall-mounted toilet. In a situation like a remodel, you'll have to open up your wall and provide sturdy framing to support the weight of the toilet and the people using it. This means your contractor might have to add additional support. A plumber will also need to run the water supply to the tank and the waste plumbing from the toilet. This process is known as the rough-in. Once the rough-in is complete, the wall will have to be closed up, covered with sheetrock, and finished. In this space, we chose a combination of wainscoting and wallpaper to finish the wall. There are two factors that make installing a wall-mounted toilet more expensive. The first is the cost of the toilet itself. Although there is a wide range of prices, wall-mounted toilets can cost much more than standard fixtures. Another factor is installation cost. This includes roughing in the toilet, finishing the wall, and patching or replacing the flooring. The next important consideration is maintenance. With standard toilets, you can easily reach the tank and replace or repair parts, making this a simple DIY project. Repairing a wall-mounted toilet can be a little more complex. They have a flush plate installed on the wall above the fixture, which can be removed to access the shutoff valve, flush mechanism, and hoses. But repairing and replacing these internal components can be tricky, and most repairs will have to be done by a licensed plumber. All right, let's head back. Although there are a lot of special considerations when it comes to wall-mounted toilets, there are also some great benefits. They have a great look, save space, and are easy to clean. If you're still not sure if a wall-mounted toilet is right for you, call a Build.com project expert and check out our buying guide by clicking the link below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below and head on over to Build.com for everything you need for your next project.